Here is a more detailed and elaborated drug profile of N-Acetylcysteine, suitable for pharmacology assignments, nursing drug study, or clinical notes. N-Acetylcysteine, NAC 1. Generic name, drug class, brand names, drug forms. Generic name, N-Acetylcysteine. Drug class, mucolytic agent, antidote for acetaminophen poisoning, antioxidant, hepatoprotective agent. Common brand names, Mucomyst, Acetadote, Fluimucil. Drug forms available: oral tablets, capsules, effervescent tablets, oral solution, syrup, nebulization solution, intravenous injection. Each form is used depending on the clinical condition and severity of illness. Number 2. Definition: N-acetylcysteine, NAC, is a synthetic derivative of the amino acid cysteine. It acts as a mucolytic drug that reduces the thickness of mucus in respiratory diseases and as an antidote for paracetamol poisoning by restoring glutathione levels in the liver. It is widely used in toxicology, pulmonology, and emergency medicine because of its antioxidant, sedant, and detoxifying properties. Number 3. Mechanism of action. NAC works through 3 main mechanisms. Mucolytic action. NAC contains free sulfhydryl (diSH) groups. These groups break disulfide bonds in mucoproteins. This process reduces the viscosity and elasticity of mucus. As a result, mucus becomes thin and easier to cough out. Number 2. Antidote for acetaminophen toxicity. During overdose of acetaminophen, the liver produces a toxic metabolite called NAP-N-acetyl-P-benzoquinone. Normally, NAPQI is detoxified by glutathione. In overdose, glutathione is depleted. NAC replenishes glutathione stores, enhances detoxification of NAPQI, prevents liver cell damage and necrosis. 3. Antioxidant effect. NA increases intracellular glutathione levels. It scavenges free radicals, protects tissues from oxidative stress. Absorption. Rapidly absorbed after oral administration. Oral bioavailability is low, about 6 to 10% due to first-pass metabolism. Distribution. Distributed widely in body tissues. Crosses the placenta. Found in lung tissue, liver, and kidney. Metabolism. Metabolized mainly in the liver. Converted into cysteine and glutathione precursors. Half-life. Approximately 5 to 6 hours. Excretion. Mainly excreted through urine as inorganic sulfates and metabolites. Number 5. Uses N-acetylcysteine has several therapeutic uses. 1. Antidote in acetaminophen poisoning, the most important use, prevents acute liver failure if given early. 2. Respiratory disorders, helps clear thick mucus in chronic bronchitis, COPD, cystic fibrosis, pneumonia, bronchiectasis, atelectasis due to mucus plug. 3. Diagnostic bronchoscopy, used to loosen mucus before bronchial procedures. 4. Kidney protection, sometimes used to prevent contrast-induced nephropathy during imaging studies. 5. Antioxidant therapy investigational use in liver diseases, neurodegenerative disorders, drug-induced toxicity. Indications. NAC is indicated for treatment of acetaminophen toxicity, conditions with thick, sticky mucus, acute and chronic respiratory diseases, prevention of liver injury after overdose, prevention of contrast-induced kidney injury in selected patients. Number 7. Contraindications. NAC should not be used in patients with known hypersensitivity to acetylcysteine, severe bronchial asthma without monitoring, patients unable to clear secretions effectively, previous severe anaphylactoid reaction to NAC. Number 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Precautions should be taken in patients with asthma. NAC may trigger bronchospasm. Peptic ulcer disease may increase gastric irritation. Pregnancy should be used only if clearly needed. Breastfeeding, use with caution. Elderly patients, monitor respiratory status and kidney function. Monitoring parameters, liver function tests, respiratory status, signs of allergic reactions. How to use. Oral administration, dissolve effervescent tablets in water. Drink immediately after preparation. Can be taken after food to reduce nausea. Inhalation administration, administer using nebulizer or face mask. Patient should cough out loosened mucus. Intravenous administration, used mainly in emergency treatment of overdose, given slowly to reduce risk of reactions. Number 10. Dosing information. Acetaminophen overdose, IV regimen. Initial dose, 150 mg Cocoon IV over 1 hour. Second dose, 50 mg Cocoon over 4 hours. Third dose, 100 mg Cocoon over 16 hours. Total treatment duration, 21 hours. Oral regimen. Loading dose, 140 millikilograms. Maintenance dose, 70 millikilograms every 4 hours for 17 doses. Total duration, 72 hours. Mucolytic therapy, adults, 600 milligrams once or twice daily. Children, 200 to 400 milligrams depending on age and condition. Number 11, missed dose and overdose. Missed dose, take as soon as remembered. If it is near the next dose, skip the missed dose. Do not double the dose. Overdose symptoms, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, hypotension, allergic reactions. Immediate medical attention is required. Number 12, stop or avoid taking. Stop the drug and consult a doctor if severe rash, difficulty breathing, bronchospasm, persistent vomiting, severe allergic reaction. Avoid alcohol during liver treatment, mixing with incompatible nebulized medications. Number 13, side effects. Common side effects, nausea, vomiting, stomach discomfort, diarrhea, bad sulfur smell or taste. Respiratory effects, bronchospasm, chest tightness, increased coughing, allergic reactions, rash, itching, urticaria, anaphylactoid reactions, rare. Serious reactions, hypotension, severe allergic reaction, angioedema. Now 14, vital information. Important clinical facts, most effective when given within 8 hours of acetaminophen overdose. Can prevent liver failure and death. Has a strong sulfur-like odor, which is normal. Patients may experience increased coughing initially due to mucus loosening. Number 15, other drugs that affect NAC. Possible drug interactions include nitroglycerin, may increase hypotension and headache. Activated charcoal may reduce absorption of NAC. Certain antibiotics should not be mixed in the same nebulizer solution. Patients should inform the healthcare provider about all medications they are taking. 16. Drug comparison, drug class, main use, difference. N-Acetylcysteine, mucolytic antidote, paracetamol overdose, also protects liver. Ambroxol, mucolytic, productive cough, stimulates surfactant. Bromhexine, mucolytic, thick mucus, less antioxidant action. Carbocysteine, mucolytic, COPD and bronchitis, alters mucus composition. Number 17, patient teaching. Patient education is important to ensure safe and effective use of N-Acetylcysteine. The following points should be explained clearly to the patient. 1. Purpose of the medicine. Explain that NAC is used to thin and loosen thick mucus in respiratory diseases. Treat overdose of acetaminophen to protect the liver from damage. Inform the patient that the medicine helps improve breathing and mucus clearance. 2. How to take the medicine. Take the medication exactly as prescribed by the doctor. If using effervescent tablets, dissolve the tablet completely in a glass of water before drinking. If taking oral solution, measure the dose with a proper measuring cup or spoon, not a household spoon. If using nebulization, use the medicine only with a prescribed nebulizer device. Do not skip doses or stop treatment early, especially during overdose treatment. 3. Importance of hydration. Drink plenty of water during treatment. Adequate fluids help thin mucus and make it easier to cough out. 4. Expected effects. The medicine may cause increased coughing at the beginning because mucus becomes thinner. NAC may have a strong sulfur or rotten egg smell. This is normal and does not mean the medicine is spoiled. 5. Possible side effects to watch for. Patients should report if they experience severe nausea or vomiting, skin rash or itching, difficulty breathing or chest tightness, swelling of face, lips, or throat. These may indicate an allergic reaction and require medical attention. 6. Precautions. Inform the doctor if the patient has asthma, stomach ulcers, kidney or liver disease, history of drug allergies. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult the doctor before taking NAC. Number 7. Drug and lifestyle advice. Inform healthcare providers about all other medicines or supplements being taken. Avoid alcohol, especially when NAC is used for liver protection. Avoid smoking because it increases mucus production and worsens lung conditions. Hack 8. Missed dose instructions. If a dose is missed, take it as soon as remembered. If it is close to the next scheduled dose, skip the missed dose. Do not double the dose to make up for the missed one. 9. Storage instructions. Store the medicine at room temperature. Keep away from moisture, heat, and direct sunlight. Keep out of reach of children. Attend follow-up and monitoring. Attend regular follow-up appointments with the healthcare provider. In cases of acetaminophen overdose, blood tests may be required to monitor liver function. Key teaching message. Patients must understand that early and correct use of N-Acetylcysteine can prevent serious complications such as liver failure and improve respiratory function. Thank you. Have a nice day.